We're following more breaking news. A Shelbyville man faces federal charges for taking part in the January 6th Capitol insurrection. And the charges include taking a gun to the Capitol and attacking an officer. Let's bring in News 8's Adam Pinsker. Adam, you've read through those criminal court documents. What were you able to find?
Yeah, a lot, Alexis. On January 6th, police say Mark Mazza got into a scuffle with a Capitol police officer as he tried to get inside the building. During that struggle, federal authorities say a revolver fell out of Mazza's waistband. A gun loaded with hollow point bullets and shotgun shells. Now let's show you what they say happened inside the Capitol. This is a screenshot from video that agents say shows Mazza holding an officer's baton in the Capitol. Other video shows Mazza holding the doors of the Capitol open and allowing rioters inside and swinging that baton at police officers trying to keep the door closed. Authorities say on that video, you can also hear Mazza saying, "This is our house," and joining rioters by yelling, "Heave ho," trying to break through that police line. Mazza faces 4 federal charges, including using violence on an officer and obstructing Congress. He appeared in district court yesterday in Indianapolis and is in custody until he appears in court in Washington, D.C. One other note about that gun, he called Shelbyville police 2 days after the Capitol riot to report it stolen. He claimed it was taken January 5th at a casino in Cincinnati, and then later admitted that was a lie. In the newsroom, Adam Pinsker, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.